Smile.
What are those, Parker?
Bubbles.
Yeah, they're straws.
What else?
What's that?
Apple.
A what?
Apple.
It's a bunny. It's a chocolate bunny. Yeah.
Bunny.
What else is in there? Blow on it. No, other way. Let me see.
What else did you get?
You want that out?
What else you got?
Bubble.
Yeah, it's a
What
notepad.
else you got?
It's like bubble.
Yeah, Melmo's on it.
Huh?
Elmo's on it, so. Layla, get off.
What?
What's that, Parker?
9.
What is it?
9. Day.
A train. What is it though? What's that right there?
Is
Thomas?
mice.
It's Thomas. Those finger paints?
Oh.
Crayon. Crayon.
It's Sesame Street crayons.
A tiki.
Let me see.
Sesame
Yeah,
Street.
cookie.
Cookie. Oh, cookie.
Yeah, he's saying cookie for Cookie Monster.
What is that?
What is that?
What is that?
Oh.
Give me a skateboard.
Skateboard.
And what's that?
What
What is it? Is it chalk?
Candy. Where's those bubbles in there?
There you
Okay.
are the bubbles?
That's candy. Just look in your basket. There's more things in there. Bubbles.
Parker, what is that?
Bubbles.
Good job.
All right. Can you say thank you? Okay. Say Happy Easter. Say Happy Easter. Okay. I love you. Bye, baby.